Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining another edition of Hyper University. My name is Susie, and today's training will be Keyholders Checklist for Success. As a reminder, we host Hyper University trainings every Wednesday at 11 a.m., and we offer a different curriculum every week. Our trainings generally take anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, and we will email all attendees a copy of the reviewed content following each session. We also encourage our retailers to recommend any curriculum you'd like to see in the future. We're always open to ideas and will implement accordingly, so please let us know. I would like to introduce our trainer, Jyoti, who will now begin the session. Take it away, Jyoti.
Thank you, Susie. Hello, everyone. My name is Jyoti, and today I am going to be covering Keyholders Checklist for Success. So why this training? By having organized business operations and playbooks that are designed to assist managers and staff with the everyday performance to run your establishment, you are ensuring that everyone is geared towards sustaining the long-term health of the business. As a proprietor, it is critically important to run a smooth business by maximizing all tools available to you. By having organized operations, you will reduce business pains and stressors while at the same time freeing up time to focus on the bigger picture.
Let's first talk about tasking. The first step is to evaluate your business, the partner vendors you support, and the rules of the program. Identify and note down your daily tasks. Create a complete checklist of all duties to be completed daily, weekly, and monthly. Include store open and close items, as well as those required to maintain a clean store. Stay on top of these tasks and update as frequently as necessary. We all understand the constant changes in the telecommunications business. Evaluate, identify, and prioritize each task. Assign those tasks to develop your team so that they have an active part in the success of your business. Assess your checklist, as these will help uncover tasks that are no longer needed or no longer serve an immediate purpose. Checklists and assignments allow for a well-run business and happier employees. On your screen, there is a sample created in Excel. In this picture, you will see we note some of the boost requirements for authorized locations, such as smile and dial, marketing, and the frequency of when to complete. Set SMART goals with your staff that go with the task to be completed. Match the task with the strengths of the individual and inform them of their progress so that they can feel better about their contribution. To identify which tasks are needed for the business, ask yourself the following and put into perspective. How important is this for the overall health of the business? Does it have an impact on the business, and which areas does it affect? Which employee is best fit for the task, and is it taken away from something more important? How often is your general manager visiting your individual locations? Do you have a marketing plan? Are all staff trained? How do you handle 6-month retention, and who does those reports? Understand and jot down what is required to maintain the health of your business. Create a checklist that will help as a reminder and secures all tasks are being accounted for and completed on time. Take the first steps towards organizing your business operations by tasking. So get out a pen and paper or draft notes on your computer. Identify and set needs of frequency and priority. Evaluate tasks, the strengths of your team, and delegate based on comfort level. Set goals for the business and your employees. Why put your tools to use? Because business tools help you simplify your business operations, making it easier to tackle the various responsibilities. Regain the power, energy, and time to focus on the big picture. Being familiar and understanding the use of these tools will help address some of the obstacles you face in the business, such as managing, tackling reports, or even increasing your online presence. Putting these tools to use helps with growing the individual skills of the employees and makes them feel as they are an integral part of your business success. Let's talk about some of the tools Boost has available to help simplify your operations as well as save you time, money, and stress. Your Elevate marketing platform makes it easier for you to directly send email and text campaigns to your existing customer base which can have a direct impact on your customers' retention while directly communicating special offers and discounts. Smile and Dial is also available to all exclusive retailer locations outside of New Jersey. This feature makes it efficiently easy for your staff to directly reach out to your existing customer base, inviting them back to your store with local and national offers by following the scripts already provided. Following up with your customers also ensures you confirm they are happy with their purchase, uncover any inconveniences, and get potential new sales from their friends and family. Digital Dashboard helps increase your social media presence from one portal with just one login, regardless of your number of locations. Target potential customers in your area via Facebook by advertising available promotions. Manage your Google business via this platform as well so that your customers are always in the know and have pertaining details to your location, such as hours of operation, payment methods, and accessibility. Elevate Point of Sale seamlessly keeps track of all of your sales and inventory by location, by employee. Organize your sales and inventory counts all in one place. Track your compensation accurately while also having the ability to identify areas of improvement within your sales team or restocking habits. Implement performance based comp plans to help incentivize your staff by offering bonuses based on the areas of focus needed to grow the business. Your POS system allows you to create KPI or key performance indicators, which helps with tracking these commissions. As a small business owner, it is imperative to implement the tools available to you. Don't feel like you can't keep up. Choose what you find useful to your business's growth and sustainability and apply for maximum profitability. Boost Mobile also provides you with a variety of tools that can help facilitate your day to day operations, some of which can be found in the Sales Portal Quick Links and Resources section. BoostMobile.com will assist in answering some customer questions. For example, comparing devices and knowing its specifications and/or even details on monthly and international calling plans. And let's not forget insurance. AdBuilder will always have available promotional material for your printing convenience, and Boost goods for your 50/50 marketing tactics and giveaway. Track the goals you have set for your business operations to ensure your company remains consistent with achieving milestones and growth. These goals are important not only for your business, but also for your employees' professional growth as well. Set your goals in SMART format. Be specific about the goals to be achieved for most effectiveness. If the goal is clear to understand, it will be easier to meet. Choose goals that are measurable. Define task items that will show proof of progress and one that can be reevaluated when necessary. Make sure these goals are achievable and can reasonably be accomplished within a certain time frame. Stick to goals that are relevant and that align with the values and long-term objectives. And finally, goals that are time bound. Ensure they are realistic and ambitious and include an end date to prioritize and motivate. Setting goals and holding your staff accountable is crucial to ensure tasks are being completed and business goals are being met and on the rise to maximize profitability. It will also help you identify areas of improvement at the location, staff level, and identify needs and its priority. Don't just stop at creating these goals and tasks. Take it some steps further and track your goals for both the business and your employees. Use this data to measure your organization's success. The long term health and growth of your business will be contingent upon your constant desire to improve and remain consistent with making headway within your business. First, start by organizing your business operations and identifying all that is required and needed to take into account, which in turn will result in building a sustainable and profitable business that will remain healthy. Start with identifying those tasks to delegate and distribute between your staff. Follow through on completion. Delegating tasks will provide you more time and energy to focus on other duties within the business. Utilize the available tools to enhance your operations. Stay on top of managing your sales, inventory, and marketing. Share with your staff so that they are knowledgeable and equipped with all that they need. Set goals to help track progress and results. Ensure your employees are on the right path by making sure they are clear on expectations needed to run your business and are on the correct path towards growth. This now concludes Manager's Tools for Success training. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Susie, back to you.
Thank you so much, Jody, and thank you for investing in yourself and your business by attending weekly Hyper University trainings, everyone. We appreciate all that you do, and we're happy to be able to contribute to your success. If you do have any training requests, always feel free to email Jose at hyperlinkusa.com. Thank you again for joining, and stay safe.